YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll be bringing y'all my Jordan 11 collection. So without further ado, let's get into it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that good stuff so you can be notified every time I post. So let's get into the first shoe. Hey, so for the first shoe right here, we have the Jordan 11 Pantone. As you can see, they are still dead stock right there, and they got the icy bottoms, as you can tell. So these did come in a pack. The Pantone pack, I'll probably put up a screenshot on StockX right here, or right here, whichever side, because the pack is down there. I don't feel like getting it because I have to take out all these shoe boxes. So yeah, nice pair of Jordan 11s, dead stock, all blue. You don't see these anywhere. Nobody got them, or at least nobody got them dead stock like this with the icy bottoms. It has a little I don't even know what that cardboard up in there. So cool pair of 11s, all blue, white, and then icy soles. And before y'all start, oh my gosh, where your shoes or the sole's gonna crumble, it's already too late. These came out years ago. It's already too late for that. But without further ado, let's get into the next shoe. So for the next shoe, as you can tell, we have two pairs of the Jordan 11 Red. Right here, this is my personal pair. And then this right here is another Jordan pack 11s. This come with the Jordan 11 and the Jordan 12. It is like, it's up here. But I think it's called like the CDP pack or whatever. I don't know. Something like that. But these are dead stock, as you can see. Jordan Red. These came out, I don't even know, back in the day. But these ones right here are dead stock. But these ones right here, I've been having since 7th grade, and they still look in really good condition. And I wore these like a lot of times. This is my go-to shoe. Really simple and clean colorway. Black, white, red. Cannot go wrong with it. And y'all be asking what are these little metal things inside? Those are called shoe trees. They help keep like the shape of your shoe when you're not wearing it. But yeah, they just help keep the shape of the shoe. But nice, clean, black, white, red, Jordan 11. Let's get on to the next one. So for the next shoe right here, we have the Jordan 11 Cool Gray. I think I got these for Christmas. I don't quite remember though, but I do think I got these for Christmas. Yeah, I think I did. Cause these came around Christmas time, so I don't really wear these. But as you can tell, because the bottom is still really icy and they're clean. But this is a cool Jordan 11. Nice color, simple. No creases in it. I do prefer my Cool Grays. I like it with that aged midsole or soles or whatever. I like it with the aged sole, that gray instead of this blue. Because I just prefer that gray. Aged look way better than the icy blue look. But I'll just give it some time, a few years or a few months from now, that'll end up whatever it's called. I can't even think of it right now, but they'll end up doing that. But Jordan 11 Cool Gray. Let's go on to the next one. So for the next shoe, we have the Jordan 11 Concord. I believe this is the 2000s release, because you can tell the soles on these are really aged. They have yellowed really bad, but I do like that because this aged look does look really good with the Jordan 11 Concord. It doesn't matter, new, old, Jordan 11 Concord, just a timeless shoe. It doesn't matter what condition it's in. Jordan 11 Concord looks good. It goes with anything. Simple color. But yeah, Jordan 11 Concord. Let's get on to the next shoe. So for the last shoe, we have the Jordan 11 Jubilee. I remember I got these off retail. I ended up driving there and getting these, or my grandma drew me to the store and get these. I think it was like Hibbits or yeah, I think it was Hibbits. But yeah, I got the in-store W. I don't even wear these no more because, as you can see, the soles are starting to yellow, and that is these shoes is they're alright, but a lot of people do have these, and that's why I don't really wear them that much. But as you can see, the soles are yellowing. I might bust these out one day when everybody wear their pairs and beat their pairs up. I might bust my pair out because I only wear these like maybe 1 or 2 times at max. But it's a clean Jordan 11. I do like the little chrome or metallic accents on the shoe. I believe this is the 10th anniversary 11. That's why it has little metal pieces on there. But that will be the last Jordan 11. Thank you for watching my video. I just wanted to come on here, show y'all my Jordan 11 collection real quick. Nothing major. I may have forgotten a few pairs because I don't even remember like what's in these boxes. So if I forgot some pairs, oh well, maybe I'll pull them out in the next video or something. But thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and turn on post notifications. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.